Well, here's that Tobias copper face all stripped down. You can see the escapement wheel and all the cocks. You can see the mainspring, the pallet fork in all its beauty. You can see the balance there. Second wheel. The main plate. All the bearings in the main plate. So that's what we're going to be focusing on next. Is that guy right there. We're going to be reassembling this whole thing. Welcome back. Here's the Tobias. We're putting on the back plate, holding all of the bearings for all the pivot points for the gear train. And we just replaced this guy right here, which is the cap jewel for the balance wheel, which was loose and floating around the case when we, not the case, but when I took the face off, it was back here, glued to one of the surfaces, not glued, but stuck to one of the surfaces with old oil. So yeah, that took some massaging. The cap jewel had fallen out of its mount, which is that silver piece right there, and was providing zero support for the balance staff when this watch sat on its face. So it was good on its back, but not on its face. Okay, and that's that. So we're going to flip this over. I'll tighten these guys down, and we'll continue from there.